How COVID-19 has affected the meeting of creditors. The U.S. Trustee Program requires that Section 341 meetings be conducted by telephone or video appearance to all cases until further order from the bankruptcy court. If the responsible U.S. trustee or case trustee determines that an in-person examination of the debtor is required to ensure the completeness of the meeting or protection of estate property, the U.S. trustee may approve the continuation of the meeting to an in-person meeting in a manner that complies with local public health guidance. The following 5 tips should be followed whether the meeting of creditors are conducted remotely or at the office of the United States Trustee. 1. Carefully review your bankruptcy petition schedules and make sure that they are correct. Tip 2. Make sure that you have provided an original government-issued picture identification and original Social Security card so that you are properly identified. Tip 3. Follow these simple rules when you answer the trustee's questions. 1. Tell the truth. 2. Listen to the question. 3. Let the trustee finish before you start speaking. 4. Answer loudly in as few words as possible. The meeting is being recorded. Tip 4. The trustee may have many questions for you other than when you signed your bankruptcy petition and schedules, did you review them? Tip 5. The trustee may ask you whether your petition and schedules were true and accurate. Were there any errors or omissions, or if you sold any property in the last few years, or how much of a tax refund you expect to get. Download the Zoom application and open it. Enter a meeting number and password to connect. Dial in the number if you do not or cannot enter the meeting via the link or the application. Visit Zoom US and click Join Meeting or enter the meeting ID number and password. The trustee will admit you at the appropriate time. Immediately place your device on mute. Make the call from a quiet area where there is little background noise as possible. When your case is called, unmute your device and identify yourself. The video meeting can be joined using a device that has a camera. If no camera is available, the meeting can be joined by an audio only by using a cell phone or landline. Once your meeting is concluded, you may leave the room. You always have the option to come into the law offices of Andrew H. Griffin III, APC, and utilize our sanitized equipment. We will be happy to provide you with a safe location to conduct your remote meeting of creditors. Your meeting of creditors will be successful if you follow these tips. The law offices of Andrew H. Griffin III, APC can answer your questions regarding the meeting of creditors and the bankruptcy process.